Okay, so we are gonna go around the world today on our bikes and visit many countries. So we don't need our passports and we won't be leaving Washington, D.C.
How is that possible?
There are 175 embassies here in D.C. and they are all considered to be on foreign soil. So let's go riding.
Starting off at the beginning of Rock Creek Park, right in front of the Swedish Embassy.
And it's right next to a highway. It's a little noisy. How do you identify an embassy?
A flag and a plaque.
Welcome to Sheldon Cooper Presents Fun with Flags.
A lot of the embassies are located in a section in DC called Embassy Row, which originally was called Millionaires Row, which you'll see why. It is where wealthy DC elite built their big elaborate mansions, but during the Great Depression of the 30s, a lot of them were forced to sell their homes and a lot of the embassies started to move in, so hence Embassy Row. I think this embassy of Indonesia is one of the most beautiful. A gold miner struck gold and became a millionaire overnight, and he built this house for his daughter. His daughter was one of the owners of the cursed Hope Diamond. So if you don't know about the curse, check out our video Friday the 13th, the link's above. I'm gonna go inside this place, it's gorgeous. There's a protest in front of one of the embassies going on right now. Was the #1 embassy for wild parties. Elizabeth Taylor, Andy Warhol, Barbra Streisand used to come to these parties given by the Iranian ambassador. But party ended in 1979 when we cut ties with Iran and the property became abandoned. So it's still owned by Iran, but it's been boarded up for years. The Latvia embassy right behind me was designed by Alice Pipe Barney. She also helped Washington become a center of arts. She helped design this house. She wanted it to be kind of crazy looking, something that really didn't fit into Millionaires Row. So what do you think?
A little crazy.
See a car parked illegally, it's probably a diplomat. The diplomats cannot be ticketed or towed. We are now on Ireland soil. How's Ireland?
Great. We're in Greece now.
I know my Greek flag. It's all Greek to us, right? So people come here to basically visit for passport and travel.
And then if you get a U.S. passport, they can also for visa.
So we just went to the Ivory Coast. Here's the Mexican embassy. Oh, Republic of Korea. Oh, Japan. Here is the Turkish embassy. The Turkish ambassador's sons love jazz, and they went to U Street and listened to Duke Ellington, Louis Armstrong, Lena Horne. They decided, why not start hosting the concerts here at the Turkish embassy? I mean, so they did. They had concerts here, and eventually those two sons created Atlantic Records.
Keep discovering so many embassies.
Oh my God. It's like we're in Germany. Oh, I love this. It looks like a castle. We went to a lot of countries today in about an hour and a half. We must have broken a speed record, so hope to see you riding.